Hey everyone, it's Tara Stiles. This is a nice total body, total self balance routine. So the nice thing about moving in balance is you can do this anytime, whether you're practicing yoga, opening a door, having conversation, whatever you're doing. And the big secret in all of the East Asian arts and literally everything that talks about really true balance is moving in agreement with yourself and moving your whole self with yourself. So often when we think about balance, we think about putting ourselves in an uncomfortable position and just dealing with it until it's over. And of course, that's a disconnect. Somehow something eventually is going to break or we're going to have a breakdown. So we're going to find balance by moving our whole body together, just like nature, just like the trees, and then allowing any movement of the wind that comes our way. We're not going to move with that. In a way, it's really letting yourself be movable by the wind. So a nice softening approach to balance instead of kind of sticking to it and waiting for it to be over. We've all sort of been through that. So it's time for a nice, more holistic, better way. All right, let's get started. All right, we'll start standing here nice and tall. Step your feet a little bit apart so you have a nice, stable base. So you're balanced. And put a little bend in your joints here. So easy bend in your knees, easy bend in your elbows. And let your whole self soften. So even simply standing here, letting yourself be in balance. Maybe a little sway side to side or forward and back. And simply notice how you feel. Bring your thumbs toward your heartbeat. And see if you can feel your heart pumping for you. Simply noticing. Take a big inhale. Long exhale. Twice more, big inhale. Long exhale. Once more, big inhale. Long exhale. Let your arms simply relax down. Take a big inhale, float everything all the way up. And easy roll up and over your legs here. Drop your head and neck. Big inhale lengthens you out nice and long. And soften your knees, plant your palms, and crawl your way back toward your down dog. No rush or hurry. Settling in. Lean toward your left side. Big inhale, float your right leg way up and back. Down dog split. Roll open your hips and belly here. And lean toward your left as you slide this right foot right on through between your hands. Low lunge. You can always pick that right hand up there and make sure you're in balance as you move through everything. So stepping your feet a little bit apart here if they're not already. You don't want to be on a tight rope, so give yourself a nice stable base. Roll your body up through your middle. Big inhale to stretch up. And easy settle here right in the middle of yourself. Again, big inhale to stretch up. And easy twist toward your right, let your arms open nice and wide. Tip it all the way back, reversing here. And we'll tip forward toward your twisted half moon. Start to bring your whole body forward with yourself. Left fingertips catch you, soften everything here. A little bit of a curl toward your middle. Big inhale to open up. And again, soften, easy curl toward your middle. And big inhale to open up. And we'll trade sides here. Right fingertips find the ground. Again, nice curl through your middle, soften. Roll open, nice open half moon. Hips and belly, everything nice and wide. And again, curl everything all the way back toward your middle. And we'll roll back open. Hips and belly, really lean in toward those right fingertips. One more time here, curl everything back toward your middle. And roll everything all the way open. Nice open half moon. You'll come toward a warrior two, so soften here before you move. And step that back foot right on back here. You can even reach this top arm all the way forward for balance. Push down through your legs, big inhale to stretch. And easy, settle in toward your warrior two. Back toes come a little bit in, front toes forward, sink through your hips. Big inhale, everything comes up. Easy exhale, soften back in. Tip it all the way back here, reverse. Let your hips float up a bit. And we'll come forward for your warrior three. Soften through your knees. Bring your body with yourself as you crawl everything forward. And curl everything in. And again, stretch back out for that warrior three. 2 more times here, again, staying in your middle. And stretch back out. This time we'll round up to stand here. That same idea, round and roll everything up. Hug your shin in for a squeeze. And drop this foot down. Catch your foot. Easy, relaxed here. Gently press your foot in toward your hand. Opposite arm floats out. And soften out of it a bit. Relax here. And again, press in toward your hand. Nice gaze. And soften, relax. One more time, right through your middle, pressing in toward your hand. Nice gaze. And soften, relax. Give your shin a good squeeze. And slide this foot right back toward that low lunge. Plant your left palm down. Plant the right palm down as well. And slide this leg right back. Down dog. Soften through your knees. Gentle sway of your hips. And we'll go for that other side. Lean toward your right. Big inhale, float the left leg up. Roll up in your hips and belly. Slide the foot right on through between your hands. Nice low lunge. Again, you can get this hand out of the way. Make sure you're in balance as you move here. Stepping your feet a little bit apart here if they're not already. Roll through your middle. Big inhale to stretch up. Make sure your body's in the middle of yourself as you soften it. And big inhale to stretch. And twist toward that front leg, like your arms open wide. Again, staying in the middle of yourself. Tip it all the way back. Bring yourself with you as you come back. And we'll bring the whole thing forward. Shift your weight. That hand just floats with you. Soften, curl in toward your middle. And stretch everything open. Nice twisted half moon. And again, like that, curl toward your middle. And stretch everything back out. This time, curl toward your middle. Trade hands. Lean in toward those left fingertips. As you lean in your stable, roll everything open. And coming back through your middle, curl back toward your middle. Right fingertips can catch you on the ground. Lean back toward that left side and roll everything open. One more time here. Soften, curl back toward your middle. And lean into those fingertips as you roll everything open. All right, warrior two. Soften through both knees. Reach your top arm all the way forward. Slide the foot back. Bring yourself up through the middle of your body. Lifts you. And easy, settle in toward your warrior two. Back toes turning in. Can adjust your feet. Get comfortable and stable. Dropping your shoulders. Everything bends. Big inhale fills you up. Easy, settle in toward that warrior two. Tip it all the way back, reverse. Let your hips float up a bit as you go back. And we'll come forward, bend through your knees. Bring your whole body all the way forward. And curl everything all the way in. Stretch everything right back, warrior three. One more time, curl everything all the way in. Stretch everything all the way back out. And we'll roll up to stand here, soften, round up through the middle of your body. This knee comes along with you for a squeeze. And drop that knee, catch your foot, softening first, nice and relaxed. Press your foot in toward your hand, nice gaze for your dancer. And again, soften everything out of it here, easy. And again, pressing in toward your hand. And one more time here, soften everything, nice and relaxed. Pressing in toward your hand, nice gaze. And easy, hug your shin back in for another squeeze. And slide your foot right back down here. Lean toward that right hand. Crawl that foot around back toward your down dog. Settling here. Tuck your chin, roll out toward your plank pose. Nice wave. Easy sway. We'll go for a little side plank balance. Rock to your left and roll toward your right side. Open everything up. Maybe keep the feet stacked or unstacked, or nice rock star, reaching your toes back behind you. Or if you like to hug your knee in, I feel like a good stretch, or maybe even stretching the leg up a little bit there, freeing the foot. Just let it feel nice for you. Take your whole body with yourself. And coming all the way back toward your middle. And lower rock and roll side to side. And roll toward that left side big, and I'll just stretch open and simply explore around here. Few big breaths. Going through any version that feels nice and open for you. Again, making sure you're taking your whole self with yourself as you move. Moving from the middle of your body all the way out. All the way back. And when you're back toward your middle, soften your knees down and drop in toward your nice, easy up dog. Draw your shoulders and your back big, inhale to open. And keeping your knees on the ground, shift up and back. Take a breather in your child's pose. When you're ready, gently round yourself all the way back up towards sitting. Soften here. Take a few moments to have a gentle roll around and explore. Finding an easy, balanced place here. And take a big inhale through your nose. Easy exhale. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. And I hope you feel a bit more balanced and really enjoying this idea of taking your whole self with yourself wherever you may go. That way you're always in balance, which could feel really amazing. All right, stay practicing, keep it easy, and I'll see you soon.